Hello everybody, and welcome to the first tutorial of Building the World Big Scale Revamp 1930. Today we're going to be building Benelux. I just did the other outlines because, So the blocks you're going to need are black concrete, blue concrete, white concrete, whatever block you want to use for black. Yellow concrete, red concrete, light blue concrete, and then whatever block you use for water, or just regular water. We're gonna start with, Zarland. So you wanna place one block, do a 3 left to it, a 2 connected to, or a 3 connected to a 2, 2 1s, a 5, then from this block, go up 3, connected to 1, then do a 4, a 4, a 2 connected to a 2, a 1, and a 3. That should connect up with this 4. Then you want to do the top 2 rows with the blue concrete, the middle 2 rows with white concrete, and then the bottom 2 rows with your black block. I'm using black terracotta because I like the color. It's close to black and it looks good on maps. Alright, and then from this block do a 3 with one up connected to it, or a 3 with a 4 connected to it, a 2, 2, 1, 3 connected to a 3, 2 1s, and a 2. And then from this block, go all the way right or left with your light blue concrete. And then from this block, all the way right with your red concrete. And then you can fill the rest in with white. I'm gonna do that right now. And sorry about that. Okay. And now we're gonna start Belgium. From this block, do a 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4 connected to a 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 connected to a 4, 2 connected to a 3, a 2 connected to a 1, 1, 3 connected to a 2, 2 connected to a 2, 3, 1, 3, a 2 connected to a 1, 2, 3, 2, a 3 connected to a 1, an 8, a 2 connected to a 3, which is also connected to a 1, which makes that shape, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 connected to a 1, a 6, and a 6 connected to a 4, 1, 1, 2 1s, a 1, 2 connected to a 1, and a 2. That's the outline for Belgium done. Now let's do the flag. From this 2 right here on the very right block, go all the way up with red, and then just to the left of that, go down with yellow. You can fill this in with red, and then from the very left block on this shape, you can go up with your black block, and then just to the right of that, you can go down with your yellow. And you can fill the middle in with yellow, and this side in with black. And I'm gonna do that right now. I'll be back in just a second. And there I have it all filled in. Now we're gonna start the Netherlands. From this block, go up by 1, or yeah, from this 6 connected to a 4, the very right block, go up by 1, and then a 1, 2 connected to a 2, a 1, a 2 connected to a 1, a 1, 3, 2, 1, 2 connected to a 1, a 2, a 6 connected to a 1, a 1, a 2, a 2, a 2 connected to a 2, sorry, a 2, 2, a 2, and a 2 connected to a 1, a 2, a 3 connected to a 3, a 2, a 3, a 4, connected to a 3, connected to a 3, connected to a 1. You can fill this in with your water block, and you can do a 3 connected to a 1. So that should be this shape, this big clump of blocks. And then a 7, 5, 3, 2 1s, a 5 connected to a 2, connected to a 4, connected to a 3, connected to a 2. And then from this block, you can connect it with a 1. So this big shape, do a 2 connected to a 2, 1, a 2, and a 3 connected to a 1. Then from this block of this shape, you can go down 1 with your white concrete and then place 1 with your black concrete. You can break this if you want, because that's a lake. And from this block, do 1, 2 connected to a 2. You can fill this in with white. And then a 1 and a 1. You can fill this in with your water block. A 2, a 2, a 1, and another 1. And you can also fill this in with your water block. Then do a 1, a 2, connected to a 2, connected to a 2, connected to a 1. Then from this block, do a 1, 2, 1. Then you can fill this big area in with water. There we go. Oh yeah, and over here, this area, you do a 1. Then from this block, do a 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2 1s, 2 connected to a 2 connected to a 1. Now for this complicated bit, do a 2 with a 4 connected to a 5, connected to a 2. And this block go down 2, connected to a 2. A 2 connected to a 1, that should connect up with this. Then from this block go left by 3, a 2 connected to a 2. And then 4 1s and a 2. In this block, do a 4 connected to it with the 2 in the middle. Then fill this area and this area with sign or your water block. And fill these 4 areas in with white concrete. Then fill this area in with blue concrete. And this area in with blue concrete also. Now we're going to do these islands. Do a 1, a 3 connected to a 1 with a 1. You can fill these in with red. And then connect this 3 with a 1 to a 2 and a 1 with your black concrete. And then place a water block just to the right of that. And then upper right, do a 2 connected to a 3. Water block to the right of this 3. And then do a 2 connected to a 3. Water block just to the right of this 3. And then go upper right at 2. Water block just to the right of this 2. And then go upper right a 1. Water block 1. Water block 2. Then I believe the rest of these islands are German. So we'll do that, and I think I'm gonna do France next. And then you can break all these water blocks. And there's the outline for Benelux done. I don't know if Saarland was actually considered Benelux back in 1930, but I'm just gonna include it in this. And then from this block, go all the way right with your blue concrete. And then from just on top of that, go all the way right with your white concrete. Then from this 3 on the very bottom block, go all the way right with your white concrete. Just above that, go all the way. Just go above that, get your red concrete. And then from this block, go all the way right with your white concrete. And just above that, go all the way left with your red concrete. Then I'll be back with you in just a second because I'm gonna fill this in. And here it is all filled in. Next video is probably gonna be France, but there's a small chance it's gonna be Germany. If I just feel like, write in the comments if you want is it Königsberg? No. Yeah, it is. Or is it? Whatever it is, this little area, if you want this little area to be part of the Baltics, or Germany, or Poland, just write in the comments. And this area, I'm also going to include Danzig with Königsberg. I think it's what it's called. So next video is probably going to be France, but might be Germany. And then after, well, we're getting too far ahead of ourselves. So that's how to build the Benelux. I will see you in the next video.